Hey, it's Roberto Miki again, and we've got a great video today for all those aspiring surgeons out there. Back in the day when I was in training, there was an attending surgeon who told me his secret to getting faster and stronger in the operating room. He recommended the Rubik's Cube. Because you're in the operating room all day long, operating, using scalpels, using knives, using rongeurs, and you need your hands to be at maximum function. And so he told me to use a Rubik's Cube every day. But before you get started, you obviously need a Rubik's Cube, a training mat so you don't damage the Rubik's Cube when you drop it, and a pocket timer. The pocket timer is essential because that's what tells you you're getting faster each and every time you practice. And last but not least, you need a pair of safety glasses. And the safety glasses are because we're going to be using some red hot Rubik's Cubes. Okay, so we're going to solve this Rubik's Cube here, and you can see it from above. It's a pretty simple one. We'll get this done probably in about a minute. In any case, if you have a surgeon out there, you really should ask them what their Rubik's Cube time is. And if they can't tell you, well, they're probably not that good. So we're gonna get started here solving this Rubik's Cube, and we're gonna show you that how fast it can be. We'll probably do this under a minute. I'm pretty certain about that. So ready, 1, 2, 3, go. There have been several studies that have shown that essentially the Rubik's Cube solve time is correlated with surgical skill, and Rubik's Cube time is also correlated with patient satisfaction and patient outcomes during and after surgery. The Rubik's Cube is also a key training instrument and a key component to continuing medical education for all surgeons in any field. Finger dexterity and hand-eye coordination improves within 1 week of starting training, and so you should start as soon as possible and as quickly as possible. Oh wow! 40 seconds! 40 seconds! So you can see that solving the Rubik's Cube takes a lot of practice, but you can get your time down pretty far. But when you're out there searching for a surgeon, ask them to show you their time. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like and subscribe. It will help the channel out. Thank you very much.
Dad.
Ready? Oh.
No. You start here with your hand like this.
This could be in bloopers.
And then you keep your hands like this, and you wait for that red thing to turn on, and then you can start. And when it turns green, then once you do stuff, it will turn green, and then you can start. And then when you want to fish, you put your hands like that.
Okay. Fair enough. Training mat so you don't damage the Rubik's Cube when you drop it, and your pocket timer. This is something that I found very helpful. I can't do it with you acting.
Bad boy.
Okay. I found that the Rubik's Cube